Module 1, Coding and Programming Skills. Lesson 4, Programming Structures. Until now, we have seen that every instruction in the program is executed after the instruction of the previous line and before the instruction of the next line. Programming structures allow to execute the instructions in a non-sequential order. There are two main types of programming structures. 1. Selection or conditional structures, where the next instruction to be executed is chosen as a result of a condition evaluation. 2. Repetition structures, where a portion of the code is repeated iteratively until a condition is fulfilled. Selection or conditional structures. They are used to select or not a portion of code to be executed, and there are several structures depending on the complexity of the structure. Simple selection structures, where a portion of code is executed only if a condition of the code is evaluated as true. Double selection structures, where one portion of the code is executed if the condition is evaluated as true, and another portion of code is executed if the condition is evaluated as false. Nestled selection structures, where more than one condition is considered in the execution of the program, executing the portion of the code associated to the evaluation of the conditions considered. Nestled selection structures combine several simple and/or double selection structures. These selection structures can be employed in the industry, typically to activate or deactivate actuators depending on the value or values of different sensors that monitor an industrial process. Switch or match case structures are an alternative to if-else selection structures. They are characterized by evaluating a variable or an expression and executing different portions of code as a function of the value of the variable or expression analyzed. One typical use case in the industry is to manage alarms and alerts. Repetition structures. These structures execute a portion of the code several times according to different criteria. The two main groups of structures of this category are while structures and for structures. While structures execute a portion of code until a condition is satisfied. For structures execute a portion of code until a number of iterations known before starting to iterate. For structures can be seen as a particular case of a while structure where the condition is the number of iterations.